Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to present about our group model, which is group 4. The model that we choose is a transocean notch. So this is the platform. The platform is not complete with that component. The component that will complete this model, I will tell you one by one. Okay, first of all, the first component that I want to show is derrick. As we know, the derrick is a tower that built over an oil well which is used to raise and lower the drill. Besides, derrick also is a machine that is used to move cargo on a ship by lifting it in the air. So, the technique that I use to build this derrick is sweep technique and mirror technique. Basically, I found this technique on YouTube. So I watched one of the YouTuber build this model and I follow it. So this is the derrick that I built from the YouTube. The second component is water tank. Water tank is used to store a variety of liquids like kerosene, diesel, gasoline, waste oil, and for underground burial and pressurized applications. So basically, water tank is made with different materials like linear low density polyethylene, fiberglass, or polypropylene. The third component is drawworks. So, the primary function of the drawworks is to reel out and reel in the drilling line, which is a large diameter wire rope in a controlled fashion. So, the drilling line is reeled over the crown block and travelling block to gain mechanical advantage in pulley fashion. So basically, the drawing line is attached with drawwork to reel out and to reel in on the crown block and travelling block. So this is a drawwork. This is fourth component. The fourth component is the doghouse. So what is the doghouse? Doghouse is a small enclosure on the rig floor used as an office for the driller or as a storehouse for the small objects. This general purpose shelter is a combination of tool shed, office, communications, coffee room, lunch room, and general meeting place for the driller and his crew. Okay, this is the fifth component, which is fence. Fence is served as the first line of defense and plays a significant role as a deterrent and in detection and delay of potential risk. So, the worker or the crew will not easily fall into the sea. So, this component is built as a safety purpose. This is a sixth component, which is helideck. Helideck is also called as a heliport, which is located on the fixed or floating offshore facility such as an exploration or production unit used for the exploitation of oil or gas. So basically, the pilot will bring the worker or the crew from the onshore to the offshore, and then the pilot will landing on this. Okay, so this is our seventh component, which is crane. So the main function of the crane is to load and offload material and supplies from boats. The crane is also used for routine equipment maintenance, including handling such as compressor cylinders, pumps, generators, and fire tubes in fire vessels. So this is our cranes. As we can look, there is a stairs Okay. This is the egg component, which is lifeboat capsule. So the lifeboat, or we call it as a life raft, is a small, rigid or inflatable boat carried for emergency evacuation in the event of a disaster aboard a ship. This component are used when the oil platform are involved in accident, such as fire flame or tsunami. So the crew can save their life using this boat. This is the ninth component, which is pipe rack. Pipe rack is a steel frame structure that is used to support and carry pipes inside a production plant. Pipe racks usually support the instruments, power cables, as well as the mechanical equipment like pumps and valves that are connected to the pipes. So that is the function of the pipe racks. Okay, that's all from me. However, there are several components that we are not done yet because we are facing problems to do with that component. By the way, we will working on it until it complete, inshallah. By the way, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.